guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Anne, and for today's video guys, I'm going to share with you my other source of income aside from my work. So before I got hired guys for my work now, I was a cake decorator for a known coffee shop. I worked there for about 5 years and I like making cakes and decorating them as well. That's my passion. However, the pandemic happened. Our company was the one affected and needs to close some of the branch, and unfortunately I was one of the employees was got laid off guys. So yeah, I was laid off and yeah, I lose my job as well. By the way guys, it was already lunch, so preparing my favorite chicken parmesan. So this is really yummy. So I just mixed together the crispy fried powder, and also I purchased choppy this garlic parmesan cheese. So I just mixed them together and just coated the chicken and then fry them all. Anyways guys, let's go back to my story. Alright, so while I'm cooking this chicken parmesan, so eventually I received my final pay or back pay from my company. So I used that money to purchase ingredients and some materials to use for my business. So I'm accepting already a cakes during that time, since yeah, I don't have job. So the only source of income that I have during that time is accepting orders, cake decorating, or anything that I can survive during the pandemic days. And so I accepted orders from different clients while I'm also applying for a job from BPO industry. It was so hard during that time since I'm alone and I don't have any relatives here in Manila. So yeah, it's really hard for me to ask help from my family because I know they're affected by the pandemic as well. So I really have with myself. So I just try my best. I just keep posting, and that I'm accepting orders. Yeah, and luckily I got an order and I was able to pay my rent during that time, since my money that I got from my back pay was it's really not enough to sustain my needs. And by the way guys, if you want the recipe of my moist chocolate cake and also my chocolate ganache fillings, I have also a videos before that I uploaded already. You can also check for that one guys if you wanted to know on how I made my fillings, chocolate ganache filling, and also this chocolate moist cakes guys. So this cakes guys that I'm making right now is ordered from my longtime client. Yes, so when I started my cake business, I have her, and up until now guys, she's keep on ordering cakes from me, especially they have special events or birthdays of her relatives. And right now it is second birthday of his son, so he ordered a simple cakes. And by the way guys, if you're interested for the frosting that I've put on this cake, I have also made a video of this one and how I mix this one. This by the way guys, this is a whippet. However, I just mixed this one with a cold milk, and I have also the procedure. If you're interested, you can also check on my baking videos that I have on the playlist guys. guys, it is really important to have other source of income if you are living alone, because there are lots of expenses, there are a lot of bills that needs to pay, you know, and also that you have to save at least for the emergency funds. Because if you're living alone, guys, you are the one responsible for your daily needs, you know. So it is really important that aside from your work, you have also a side hustle or sideline, whatever was that. As long that it helps you to save money and help you with your daily needs. Yeah. And yeah, when the pandemic happened, guys, I really appreciated the value of saving money, and also I was so grateful that I have a job right now and I have a talent, because if I don't have the guts or a talent, guys, of making cakes or decorating cakes, during pandemic, I don't know what to do in my life, because I don't have any source of income during that time, and it really hard, to look for a job during that time, guys. So I really used my ability to create and decorate the cake. So after I decorated the cakes, guys, now I'm going to deliver this one to my client's house, guys. So she is now expecting this cake. So after I deliver this cake, guys, that's the time that I'm going to sleep, because it's already 11 a.m. So yeah, I need to sleep, guys. I just came up from work. So it's already 7 p.m. guys, and I just woke up earlier, and now I'm cooking my dinner, so I don't feel to eat rice, so I'll just prepare some ham and egg sandwich, because yeah, this is one of my favorite. Thank you so much, guys, for watching up until this video, guys, and thank you so much for supporting my channel, guys, and don't forget to like, share, and comment, and also please do subscribe if you haven't yet.